Hi, lovelies. It's your celebrity mathematician, Professor Omale Jeff Jojo. Don't mind me, Joe. So, see the question before us, and I said the first thing to do is to write solution, whether you know it or not. Now, we're given this, and they said that we should use column 1, row 1, or expansion method using row 3 to find the determinant. What is the determinant? Determinant of a matrix is the value of the described function when evaluated on the matrix. And without mathematics, modern technology would be unthinkable. Matrix is one of the major topics in mathematics that has to do with modern technology. Now, we're used to this, using row 1. Everybody always uses this row 1 to find the determinant. But let's use column and row. Expansion method is the one that everybody knows, right? So let's use A. But before we do this, we must understand the place sign. Let's recall the place sign. If I have plus, the next one will be minus. After minus, the next one is plus. After plus, the next one is minus. After minus, the next one is plus, and it continues. Same thing here. Since there's plus up, the down will be minus. Since there's minus, the down will be plus. Since there's plus, the down will be minus. Since there's minus, the down will be plus. Since there's plus, the down will be minus, and it continues. Same thing happens here. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and it continues, right? Now, if it continues in this way, the same way here, it continues. Good. So if we are to use column 1, we'll bring the matrix down here. Let me take it up here so that you can see. There is a matrix 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is what was given to us. I want to play with this. Can you see it? Now they say we should use what? Column 1. This is the column, and this is what? The row. Now this column 1, first is for you to know the column. Column is the one standing. This is column 1, right? We are using column 1 here. And if we are using column 1, we want to use it to find the determinant. You write that what? They say we find the determinant of A. Call it that A is equal to. Now, since I'm using column 1, I'll hold on to, look at it here. I'll use the place sign. I'm working on 2 now. And the place sign there is plus. So I'll write my plus. That is plus. What is there is 2. So this very place here, if I close here, anything I consign to, I close here, I only use the place sign. So I'll be left with what? 5, 2, and 2, 3, which is 5 times 3 minus 2 times 2. Good. The next one that I'll use, I'm done with 2. I'm done with 2 here, right? I'm done with 2. So I now go to the 3. You close it, everything that has to do with 3. Can you see? So this, we're using column 1. That's why we put this red marker here. So we're now on 3. The place sign of 3, if you look from here, is minus. So I'll now write minus. What is on this place sign that is minus is 3. I'll write the 3. Open the bracket. What I'm left with is 3, 1, and 2, 3. So 3 times 3. 3 times 3 minus 1 times 2. 1 times 2. You close the bracket. The next one, since we are done with 3, is what? We'll go to the next one using the same what? Column 1 to find the determinant. The next line there is plus. I'll write plus. After writing plus, what is on the place sign there is 1. I'll write 1. Okay, somebody said not close this. As you are doing this, you close it. So I've closed everything that has to do with 1 here and here. So I'm left with 3, 1 and 5, 2. So the place sign, I open my bracket. 3 times 2 minus 1 times 5. Can you see it? So that's how to use this using column 1. That's why we'll fix it. We'll fix the column 1. So we're now using each of the numbers in that column 1. So this will now be equal to what? 2. Since it's plus, you can write it like this without putting the plus. 5 times 3 is 15 minus 2 times 2, 4 minus 3. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. So this will now give me 2. 15 minus 4 is 11 minus 3. 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1. 6 minus 5 is what? 1. So this will now give me what? 2 times 11 is 22 minus 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 1 is what? 1. Now minus 21 plus 1 is 20. I now have 22 minus 20, which is equal to what? 2. And that is what? The answer. Now let me tell you something here. If you use this one, or use this one, or use expansion, you must have 2 as an answer. Mathematics is unique and it's everywhere. Okay, we're using B now. That A now equal to what? That's why using the B using row 1. You fixed row 1, just as we said. So we're using this. The first one we want to find is this. Close everything there. That is 2. 5 times 3. 2 times 2 minus 3 we're fixing that row 1 on 3. The place sign there is what? Minus. That's 3 times 3. 3 times 3 minus 2 times 1. 2 times 1. The last is this. The place sign there is plus. 3 times 2 minus 5 times 1, which is equal to what? 2. 15 minus 4 minus 3. 9 minus 2 plus 1. 6 minus 5. There's plus 1 is just 1 is the same thing. So this is 2. 11 minus 3. 7 plus 1. 1, which is the same thing as equal to 2 times 11 minus 3 times 7 plus 1 times 1, which is 22 minus 21 plus 1, which is 22 minus 20. That's 21 plus minus 21 plus 1 is minus 21 plus 1 is minus 20, which is what? 2. And that is the answer. Whichever way you use, if you are correct, you must have the same answer. Thank you so much for joining me.